Hi guys, so today I have this makeup look for you guys, which is a feline cat eyeliner and a very bold lip. So if you guys like the makeup, then let's get into the tutorial. So firstly, I'm going to prime my face with this Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm just going to apply it basically on all over my face because I want a really smooth canvas for this makeup look. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 106. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and dot it all over my face and then just blend it with a normal beauty blender. After that, I'm going to conceal my face. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium, and I'm just going to apply it to the inner corners of my eyes, outer corner of my eyes, a little bit on my scar and around my mouth because I have pigmentation around my mouth, and I'm just going to blend it with the same beauty blender. For powdering or baking my face, I'm using this Lakme Rose powder. It is actually a loose powder, and I'm just going to take a little bit and just apply it under my eyes and basically on the rest of my face. Just dab a little bit, not too much, just to set the makeup in place. For my eyes, I'm actually using this Lakme Absolute Bronzer. I'm going to take the lighter shade as a transition shade on my eyes just to deepen my eyes a little bit. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm using this K-Beauty Metallic Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Blushed Moonlight, and I'm just going to apply it to the lid, not going into the crease. Just applying it to the lid as well as the waterline of my eyes. Next up, I'm just blending this eyeshadow into the crease using the same bronzer. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Barbie mascara. It is actually a really good mascara if you're going to buy a drugstore mascara because it actually lengthens your eyelashes to a great extent. Next up, I'm going to nose contour, and for that I'm using the same Lakme Absolute Bronzer, and I'm just taking a little bit on this very precise brush and applying it to the contours of my nose. Then to sharpen up the contour, I'm actually taking the same Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium Light, and I'm just going to apply it to the outer portion of my nose as well as the bridge of my nose and blend it all in with the beauty blender. Now I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter and I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as the brow bone. Now taking the same bronzer, and I'm actually taking it as a blush and a bronzer together, and I'm going to apply it to the apple of my cheeks, my forehead as well as my jawline. I didn't want to go for like a peachish, blushed pink look. I rather wanted a sultry brown bronzed look. That's why I'm just using bronzer and not using a blush today because the berry lips, they kind of give you a vampy vibe and like not a soft vibe, and blush kind of takes that away, and bronzer is something that will actually give you that bold vibe. Now I'm just going to use the same Wet n Wild highlighter on the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones, my nose as well as my cupid's bow. Now moving on to the star of the show, which is this Lakme Absolute eyeliner. Now for some reason I have been loving this cat eyeliner feline flick sort of. I don't go too thick, I just make a very thin line and just taper the inner corner of my eyes so that it gives a cat eye like feel. I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows with this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil and just brush them with the same bristle brush that comes along with the pencil. Now for the lipstick, I'm actually using this NYX matte lip cream in the shade Aria. Now this is like a very bright berry lipstick. It is actually not matte, it is rather a little bit shiny. So if you want to make it look matte, you can just put a little bit of powder, but I liked it this way only because my shirt was also giving a reflection. This was the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and comment down below if you would like to see another tutorial. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.